In this video clip, I am going to give a brief introduction, small pictures or idea on seasons of the earth. See, this is the model of the globe. Because this globe is tilted at with some angles really in the space when it revolves around itself and rotates around the sun. Because it's tilted in nature and revolving itself as well as revolving around the sun, there are 4 seasons created in a year. How many seasons? There are 4 seasons. What are those? Spring, summer, winter and rainy. This is the northern hemisphere. This is the southern hemisphere. Seasons means 4 seasons: spring, summer, winter and rainy. These 4 seasons not only occur whole globe in a same period. These 4 seasons are experienced in opposite way when in north as well as south pole. If not northern hemisphere experience winter, at that time the southern hemisphere experience the summer. Northern hemisphere experience spring, at that time southern hemisphere experiencing autumn. Northern hemisphere experience summer, southern hemisphere experience winter. Hemisphere experience autumn, southern hemisphere experience spring. See, this is the part, this is the equator. This line, this is the center part of the equator. This is the mid latitude. There are different seasons experienced by the countries near to this equator, mid latitude. If whatever the season is experienced by the countries in this middle equator is different from the countries which are in the near to the north poles and the countries which are near to the south pole. In summer, the sunlight is more the region which is experiencing the day. The countries which are experiencing summer have the regional temperature starts from 25 degree to up to 40 degree centigrade. It depends upon the regions where the countries are located on the earth. The countries which are on the equators experience more temperature, that is up to 40 degrees centigrade and more. The countries which are experiencing winter, the temperature may start from, the normal temperature may start from 10 degree to 25 degree centigrade, but the countries which are near to the pole may experience 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, like that. It may very coldest the countries which are closer to the poles, north pole. The weather conditions of the earth. The weather is different in different parts of the world. Rainy seasons in different countries, it depends upon the weather or wind conditions, wind moments, weather conditions of that regions. Some weather or wind conditions, temperatures of those areas. The meteorological reasons, it depends upon the astronomical study. Whatever is there, that rain, the fall, the amount of rainfall in the particular country is different in a year. Some countries may experience more rainy at a particular time, particular month, but in some cases, in some months, they feel very less. Understood something on the changes in the atmospheric space regarding the earth rotation around the sun, earth revolution around itself. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Those who are not yet subscribed, please share to your friends, those who are interested, and like it. Thank you.